Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello, and welcome to my channel, Easy English with Us. In this second part, we'll explore people at school and study tools. You're ready. Let's go. School and study vocabulary. Part 2. People at school. Teacher. Teacher. Say it with me. Teacher. This is the person who teaches a subject to students. Students. It is a boy or a girl who learns at school. Say it with me. Students. 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 School principal. Say it with me. School principal. School principal. It's the person responsible for the school who organizes and supervises everything. Classmate. Classmate. Say it with me. Classmate. It's another student in your class. Janitor. 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 A janitor is the person who cleans and takes care of the school building. They keep the school clean, safe, and ready for students and teachers every day. Librarian. A librarian is the person who works in the library. They help students find books, keep the library organized, and sometimes teach how to use information. Say it with me. Librarian. 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 Study tools. Book. Say it with me. Book. Book. Let's keep moving and learn the next word. Notebook. This is where students write lessons, homework, and exercises. Say it with me. Notebook. 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 Pen. Pen. Say it with me. Pen. Pencil. Pencil. Again. Pencil. Great job. Eraser. Eraser. An eraser is a small object we use to remove pencil marks. Say it with me one more time. Eraser. Sharpener. Sharpener. Try saying with me. Sharpener. Magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. Try saying with me. Magnifying glass. A magnifying glass is a special tool that makes small things look bigger. We use it to see tiny details clearly, like letters, insects, or small parts of a plant. Terrestrial globe. Terrestrial globe. Say it with me. Terrestrial globe. Bookmark. 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 Paper clips. Repeat after me. Paper clips. Paper clips. Schedule. A schedule is a plan that shows what you will do and when. It helps you organize your time for school, study, work, or daily life. Say it with me. Schedule. 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 Ruler. Tools for drawing lines or circles in geometry. Say it with me. Ruler. 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 Set square. Set square. Say it with me. Set square. Backpack. Backpack. Try saying with me. Backpack. Desk. A desk is a table where you study, write, read, or use your computer. Desk. Say it with me. Desk. Desk. Chair. Chair. Say it with me. Chair. Calculator. Calculator. Say it with me. Calculator. Markers. Markers. Say it with me. Markers. Colored pencils. Colored pencils are pencils with different colors. We use them to draw, color, and be creative. Say it with me one more time. Colored pencils. Colored pencils. Colored pencils. Glue. Glue. Say it with me. Glue. Scissors. Try saying with me. Scissors. Scissors. Highlighter. It helps you remember key information when you study. Say it with me. Highlighter. 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 Stapler. Stapler. Say it with me. Stapler. Excellent. Paintbrush. Paintbrush. Again. Paintbrush. White papers. White papers. Repeat after me. White papers. Blackboard. A blackboard is a big board, usually black or green, that the teacher writes on with chalk during the lesson. Repeat with me. Blackboard. 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 Chalk. Say it with me. Chalk. Chalk. Chalk is a soft, white, or colorful stick that teachers use to write on the blackboard. It can be white, pink, yellow, or even blue. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. In the third part, we will study activities in school and their examples. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.